Types of fabric. Silk. Silk fiber is also a type of animal fiber obtained by silkworms. Rearing of silkworms to obtain silk is called sericulture. Different types of silks based on the worms. Let us learn the life history of the silk moth. Life cycle of silk moth consists of 4 stages: eggs, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The most common silk moth is mulberry silk moth. Adult. An adult female silk moth lays around 300 to 400 eggs at a time on the mulberry leaves and dies immediately. Caterpillar. Newly born larvae are called caterpillars or silkworms. They feed on mulberry leaves rapidly and grow in size. Pupa. Caterpillar weaves a net-like structure around it by swinging its head from side to side. Now, it secretes a proteinaceous substance that solidifies on exposure to air and becomes silk fiber. The silkworm gets enclosed inside this covering called a cocoon. This stage is called pupa. Further development of pupa takes place inside the cocoon. Cocoons are collected to obtaining the silk thread. The worms inside the cocoon get transformed into adults. From ancient time, sericulture is being practiced in India. There are different varieties of silk thread depending upon the cocoon. Some of the silk threads are mulberry silk, tussar silk, moga silk, kosa silk, etc. These silk fibers differ in their texture. Silk fibers obtained are smooth, soft, lustrous, and elastic in nature. They may also be dyed with different colors. From cocoon to silk. Silk production is a very complex procedure. It involves rearing of silkworms, processing silk, and reeling the silk. Rearing silkworms. A female silkworm lays 300 to 400 eggs at a time on mulberry leaves. These eggs are stored under hygienic conditions and then sold to farmers. Eggs are heated up to a certain suitable temperature so that the larvae hatch out. This happens only once a year when the mulberry crop is fresh. Larvae are kept in bamboo trays with fresh mulberry leaves. These larvae start eating and grow in size, which stops after 25 to 30 days. They get attached to the twigs in the tray and start producing a proteinaceous substance from their mouth. They spin cocoons and get covered in it. Processing silk. Cocoons are collected and kept in the boiling water. This may also be exposed to steam. This increase in temperature kills the worm inside the cocoon and allows it to float. Reeling the silk. It is defined as a process of obtaining threads from the cocoon. Specialized machinery is used for reeling. These threads are first dyed and then wound into reels. Fabrics are produced using these thread reels. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world. States in India producing the majority of silk are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Jammu and Kashmir.